Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Once again, we are going to be showcasing the Toyota Crown Athlete V, packing the mighty 1JZ engine. Is this comfy VIP chariot a practical daily driver or a thirsty beast best left for the weekend? Buckle up, because we're about to weigh the pros and cons. Let's start with the undeniable head turner factor. The Crown Athlete V oozes understated Japanese luxury. It's got that classic boxy shape with modern touches that make it timeless. Plus, the optional body kit on the Athlete V adds a hint of sporty aggression. Inside, it's all about comfort. Spacious cloth seats, tons of legroom, and features like automatic climate control make every ride a pleasure cruise. But remember, this is a big car. Tight parking spots and navigating narrow streets might require some extra finesse. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the 1JZ GTE. This legendary turbocharged engine is known for its performance potential. However, with great power comes, well, you guessed it, thirstier drinking habits. Expect fuel economy figures in the low teens around town, which can get very pricey. But here's the good news. The 1JZ GTE is a Toyota engine, meaning legendary reliability. Regular maintenance goes a long way, and there's a massive aftermarket for parts if anything needs tweaking. Plus, if you drive conservatively, you can squeeze out decent highway mileage. So, can the Toyota Crown Athlete V with the 1JZ GTE be your daily driver? It depends on your priorities. If you crave a comfortable, stylish car with a touch of hidden performance, and you're willing to pay a bit more at the pump, then absolutely. This car is a joy to cruise in and offers surprising power when you want it. However, if fuel efficiency is your top concern, or you need a car that tackles tight city streets with ease, well, then there might be better options out there for you. Ultimately, the Toyota Crown Athlete V is a unique blend of luxury, performance, and practicality. Whether it's your ideal daily driver or not depends on your lifestyle. But one thing's for sure, this car is a guaranteed conversation starter and a true JDM enthusiast's delight. What do you guys think? Would you daily drive a Toyota Crown Athlete V? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome JDM car content. See you guys next time. Have a good one.